Um, let's lower this one and hello, my name is Gary, and today we're going to. Okay, I think it's still too loud. Let me lower it just a bit. Okay, yeah. Hello, my name is Gary, and you're watching me doing a bit of game development. So, um, what are we going to do? We're going to make or I am going to make a small game. Um, it's a game called. Well, let's start with the basics. So this is Godot, or Godot, or Gadu, however you want to call it. And as you can see at the top left, it's called Break-in Breakout. Break-in Breakout is a game um, that I wanted to make for a long time. So wait, let me pull up something. Okay, this is Chrome. Let's uh, before I show something that's inappropriate because it's on Newgrounds. Um, I need to make sure that I don't accidentally open something up that's inappropriate. Okay, yeah, it's here. It's here. It's finally here. Okay. So let's start this up. It's an old Flash game that I made called Keras Breakout DX. I don't know if it can do full screen. Can I do full screen? Full screen, yeah. Okay. Okay, so no, that's not okay. That's okay. So Keras Breakout is a game that I made in the past. Um, so how does it work? It's basically Breakout. This game uses it's a game that was based on the Keras community, this Keras project.net. So basically, it's a breakout game. Breakout is where you break bricks, but with a ball. In this case, the paddle is a character. It's a community member from Keras project.net, and there is and the ball is this helmet. It uses RPG Maker sprites, so yeah. Um, because it was a RPG Maker centric community. Um, so the way this game plays, it's a bit different. Instead of losing lives whenever you drop the ball, it reduces the amount of time you can spend on this level. So let's show it. So, okay, it's pretty loud, I guess. Okay, right now it isn't really that special. It doesn't randomize. Oh crap! Oh, did I pick it up? Yeah. Okay, so. Oh crap! So yeah, as you can see, whenever I drop the ball, the amount of seconds goes down, and it slowly will reveal an image in the background. Basically, the lore of this game is okay. Let me quit. So the lore of this game basically is someone tries to upload bitmaps onto a website, and since bitmaps are a lot bigger than PNGs, um, it will cause bandwidth problems and such. So that's basically the premise. But it's basically Breakout with Gravity, and it was heavily inspired by a little game called Earthworm Jim. In Earthworm Jim 2, there was a mini game where you can um, have to uh, help Peter Puppy rescue a few puppies from Psychro. Psycho Crow. Basically, the big mini game is Psycho Crow throws the puppies out of the window. You have to catch the puppies before they hit the ground and splat. But you can only use a big pillow, which causes the puppies to bounce, and eventually you need to guide them to the uh, funnel at the right. I don't know what the funnel led to, but I think it was a doghouse. Um, but if you drop the puppy, you'll get attacked by Peter Puppy, and if your health drops to 0, you'll lose a life. So that's basically the background behind this game. I wanted to, because from what I did read that there was a planned minigame in Earthworm Jim 2 where you basically played Breakout, where instead of bricks there were bones, and I wanted to try and make a game using gravity, and that's what I actually am going to do. I'm going to make a game that's basically Breakout with gravity. So, but before we do that, we do need to create a few things. So what I'm first going to do is I'm creating a test scene. So let's create a scene, and we use a 2D scene, at least for now. I don't think I'm going to use a 3D scene. Maybe for some stages where I want to use a 3D background, but the game will mostly be using sprites. So yeah. I think I'm going to entirely do this scene in 2D. So let's pick a name. Let's do a test stage. So for now, I think I'm gonna keep it as this. Okay. So now if I'm playing this, so what I need to do, I believe, display current scene. It's going to show a empty scene like this. Hey boss. Yeah, I'm going to make. So let's. Hey, why did it not? Okay, it didn't initialize. That's. Okay, let's. That was weird, but okay. So let's start by defining a few things. Let's. So this is completely new for me. I haven't actually. I did use Godot in the past a bit, but never really made anything big with it. So what I want to do is let's go with every node. So you have a collision object, so that's good. Bone 2D, that's probably where you have skeletons. Point, collision shape, mesh instance. I can use it to draw meshes. Paths, polygons, tile map. Tile maps are probably also handy. Animation players, world environment. That's mainly for things like background and stuff, I think. Okay, let's start with a camera 2D node. I'm just adding these things. I'm not actually going to do anything with them just yet. Let's place it somewhere here in the middle or something. Is it at the center? I don't think it's at the center, but it's close to the center, I think. Wait, transform. Okay, so it's now at the top left. That's good enough. What I also want to do is add a okay, so we have a camera. So what I want to do is actually I want to mark an area. Okay, so let's first start with with something simple. So let's first get rid of the camera 2D. I don't think we need them just yet. What we are going to add is another node 2D, and we're calling it paddle. So the goal with this game is we're going to have a paddle, a ball, and a brick. Paddles can bounce balls, and balls can break bricks. And what's more, what can we do? So what I also want to do eventually is add a character. What does the character do? The character basically controls the paddle. The character walks along with the paddle, and the speed of the character determines the speed of the paddle. And each character has a different thing they can do. Let's see. I might need to. Might need to. I need to close down this sound. So the paddle is basically being controlled by the character. The character controls speed. If the character also has a special button which allows you to temporarily move the paddle faster at the expense of being briefly incapacitated. So what I want to do is the character can dodge, so do a dodge jump, and the paddle will follow the player. There are some characters who instead will throw the paddle forward, and the paddle will then bounce forward and come back. But during that time, you can't move your character. So those are the a few things that I want to implement. But let's first create a paddle. So we have paddle, which is at this position, and okay, so we can add a sprite to the. The thing is, we don't have a graphic for the paddle, and for now I don't want to add a sprite just yet. So what I am going to do is, can I do a rectangle? I mean, what I also can do is mesh instance and then add a rectangle that way. So let's do that. Mesh is a placeholder mesh, maybe. Okay, no, let's do a quad mesh. Okay. Okay, what I also, okay, I am going to add a escape, add node mesh. Okay, now let's first start with a width and a height. Let's go with a height of 4. No, this is a width. Height of 4, width of 16 pixels. It's not really big, but it's at least something. Okay, no, let's go with 32. Now, as you can see, it's really small in comparison to this. If we move this paddle somewhere here, it's gonna be cancel Control S, run the current scene. If we are going to play this, so the paddle is right now this small, and I wanted to make it feel a bit pixel arty. So what I am going to do is I'm gonna place it back there. Gonna add a camera node, the same kind that I removed. So let's go here. Okay. Zoom is gonna be 2 and 2. Okay, that's good. I don't think it's gonna work just yet. Oh, it does work. So we now have, so what we are going to have is the paddle is going to be this large. The stage is going to be rather small. Each pixel will be twice as big, which is a good thing. So okay, let's. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna project. Can I go to the project list? Yeah. Okay, so okay, that's Garage Breakout. So I'm going to I'm gonna open the asset library and gonna open a platform to the platformer project. I can use this one. Should I use this one? I should. So why do I want to do this one? Does it have, okay, it has scrolling, so it has scrolling. So let's go and see. Create a folder and install and edit. So no, it's good. It's good. It's good enough. Okay, why does it open on this screen? Come on. Okay. Okay. Apparently it. Oh. Okay. Now it changes. Okay. So let's play this game. Let's see how it works. Okay, yeah. A and D. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Okay, so this is exactly what I want, which is basically a limiter to the stage. I don't know what. Okay. So the camera is level finish. Set the next scene from level finish door area. Let's see. It's the ground level. Let's hide the level. Can we check it out? What happens if we remove the level? Oh, collision is still there. Okay. Oh. Okay, I really can't see anything, so let's do this. Player. The camera follows the player. So, okay, transform, there's no level finish door, user interface, tutorial next, game manager, Okay, level the camera. Camera 2D, smooth it. Draw screen, draw limits. Okay, there is a draw limit there. Oh, okay, I see. I see. Okay, that's good. That's good. I think, yeah, I think this is good. So let's go back to the project list. Don't save. Okay, it's kind of annoying that it defaults back to my main screen, my personal main screen. Let's open it up. In the meantime, what I also have opened is FL Studio in case I want to make a background music. I don't think I will get to that just yet. It's going to be simple. I have paint.net open. I have Aseprite in case I want to make sprites. And of course Godot. So let's see. Oh, right. Okay. Camera to the limits. Left limit is going to be 0. Top limit is going to be 0. Control S. Let's see. Cancel. Let's go with this. So right now the pedal is at the top left, which is correct. What I want to do is I want the camera to follow the ball. So let's create a node 2D. Let's call this one ball. So just for simplicity, I want the ball okay, let's create a mesh 2D. A mesh instance 2D. It's still going to be a temporary, so I can go with the sphere. Is there not a circle? Okay, let's go with sphere mesh. The radius is going to be okay. Let's go with 4 maybe. Um, 8. Okay, that's good enough. So what I want is the paddle is going to be placed below. Crap. Come on. Let me just. Why does it scale? I want to move. Okay. There's only scale. So okay, this is okay. For some reason it changed from 1 to another. Let's move it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to do a simple move left to right thing. Okay, let's also add a node instance, child node, and that's going to be collision shape. Let's create a collision shape. The shape is going to be a rectangle for now, though a capsule should be better because I want to eventually round it out. So let's do a capsule shape. Wait, one-way collision. Okay, height. Okay. Control Z. Wait, how do I rotate it? With this? Okay, Control Z. Okay, transform, rotation 90 degrees. Radius is going to, okay, the height is going to be, okay, I did choose 32. The radius is going to be 2 because, okay, Control Z. Let's use this one. So now the collision shape is like this. What's this? Node collision shape to the only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision object to the derived node. Please only use it as a child of area to the static body. Okay. Yeah. So let's go with static. What? Okay. Okay. So let's see. Collision object. What's area? Okay, a region of 2D space that detects other collision object 2Ds entering or exiting it. Okay. Static body that can't be moved. Okay, rigid body is one that can be moved. Character body is character moved by script. Battle is indeed a character body. There's no shape. Let's go here. Okay. So what I want to do is I want it to move left or right. Okay. Okay. What I should do instead of switching out, what I should be doing is opening a second instance of Godot and switching between the two instances. Okay, let's maximize. Oh, wait, shit. Okay, so okay. Just as I thought. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one here, move this one out, delete the paddle, and I'm going to change this to paddle. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder, call it source, folder entities, player entities. So the player entity will have the paddle and the ball, but for now we're only going to I believe it was just cancelled. It's not this one. Save branch as scene, source, and trees, and then let's go with paddle.tscn. So normally what I would do is change this to a Studley case, I believe, since I'm used to that naming convention. But for now, let's also, so I believe it's better to just keep it lowercase and snake case. Let's save it. Let's fighting love. Okay, no. Okay. That's your script and create. I think. Oh, okay. What? Okay, this has gravity. Got the gravity. Okay. So these two are not gonna be used actually. So let's remove these parts because we're not gonna use gravity for this one, and we're not gonna use jump either. Oh, velocity is something we needed. Speed. So these two are gone. Let's see what nice thing we are going to do with this. Okay, so right now we can move the paddle left and right. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is somewhat what we wanted. Speed is 300. So let's go. Okay, let's go with project settings, input maps. No, not input maps, I think. Or was it input maps? I think it was input maps. Show built-in. UI left. Oh, it. Okay. 0.5 joypad. Let's go with 1 and 1. I think. Oh wait, that's dead zone. Let's revert. Direction is input. Okay, wait. Get axis. Negative action, string name, positive actions, constant, float. Get the axis input by specifying 2 actions, 1 negative and 1 positive. This is shorthand for writing input get. Okay. So let's go back to the test stage. Let's try this scene. All right, that's also, wait, that's really fast. Battle, let's go get the battle. Let's move and slide, move the Okay, based on velocity, that's good. Thing is, I actually don't want I want to have it move in integers. Okay, okay, so let's first, what we're going to do is, can we change type? The type will not be Node2D, but it's going to be rigid body, 2D physics body that's moved by physics simulation. So let's do change. Has no shape, that's correct. Okay, add child node. Let's go with this. Collision shape. The shape is a circle. Circle is not the right shape. Size, I believe 8. It's not 8, it's 4. Okay, what we need to do is we need to move this ball. Come on. Okay. Select the ball. Move it around. Okay. So as we can see, if we move it around, oh. Okay. What we need to do is the bottom is. So what we want to do, okay, where are the constraints for this? The bottom is going to be 500 maybe. Wait, why can't I see the bottom? Yeah. Okay, so let's see. And the right is is this correct? Okay, let's move this ball to the right. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, but why can't I see? Okay, Okay, the width is going to be 6. So this means that if I move to the right, okay, it only has limit. Okay, why is that? Because the width of the stage is so wait, let's check the project settings, general, display window. Okay, weird. 280 viewport height is 720. That's good enough. Let's do this. Maybe I did it on purpose. So okay, the size of so if I'm correct, it shouldn't be able to move left or right, only up and down. Okay, that's good. camera should be transform 0 0 1 1. That's good enough. That's good. Plus. Okay. So what's going to happen? So we are going to move the paddle a bit down. Can we move it to the center of this? So the ball. I think I should change this to a rigid body, but that's something we need to do later. Say branches. Okay, this is the ball. The ball will have a script. This is a rigid body. Create. Okay, for now. Okay, this is what this is, and let's go here. Coins are positioned here, here, and here. So let's check the script for the player. Player properties, blah 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 blah. And no jumping. I believe the coins have a check note itself. Body entered. And received body enters the area. Okay, there isn't a. Oh, if body is in group player. Okay. Wait, what kind of node is this? Area 2D. Okay. Let's go to the player itself. Traps, okay, blah, blah. There isn't any special thing about yeah. What's body actually? Oh, the body is on body entered. Okay, cool. Is in group player. How do we know it is in group player? Do 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 do. Scenes levels. Oh, there are 2 levels. Cool. Let's check the second level. The second level has a follow-up point. 2D platformer starter kit by G2P Studios. Okay, that's cool. So tutorial text, ground. Okay, let's see. So what we want to do is we want the ball to follow the paddle for as long as the ball needs to follow the paddle. Okay, okay, what we need to do now is we have the script. Okay, let's check something out. Okay, no. Let's move this here. Okay, let's first check something out. Okay, let's check. Let's see. Interesting. Because what I want to do is I want to have the ball stick to the paddle until space bar or something is pressed. At which point, okay, so what I'm first going to do is I'm going to add a variable to ball. Okay, wait, something. For attached to player pool is true. Okay, okay, yeah, that's good. So now I have a variable called attached to player, which is a boolean, and it is true. So while it's attached to the player, or attached to paddle, so what I need to do now is okay. This isn't. Okay. If we do get node. Right. Wait. How do I get a parent node? Okay. So called every frame. Access as unique name. This node can be accessed from within anywhere in the scene by preceding it with... Okay. So let's do this. So if we do X is paddle X, what happens here? Wait, okay. X is paddle X, position X. Let's see if this works. Uh-oh. Okay, that's not gonna work. Control S. Let's do it again. Wait, I'm at ball, right? I'm at ball. Position X plus 1. Let's see what happens now. Cancel. Let's do this. Okay. I don't want it to motion floating. Collision. Let's check it out. Wait, what the hell? True, this pickable object can detect the mouse pointer entering, leaving, and if the mouse is inside it. Okay. Wait, okay, so let's comment this one out as well. Try this out. Okay, why does it keep moving down? 0. Okay, okay, let's go to the ball again. Let's check out what's happening. Okay, the ball keeps moving down. That's not what I want. Okay, let's see. Change type. Okay, let's not do rigid body then. Okay, let's do static body 2D. Control S and change this one to static body. Static body 2D. Hopefully it will work somehow. Okay, it remains. Test stage. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, this is it. Okay, cool. Now what I want to do as well is let's go to the ball again. Hmm. So let's check out what happens if we do this. So if I'm correct, so this way doesn't. Okay, yeah, okay. So it moves the camera. That's good. That's good. So if so, there's one issue now. Okay, there's one issue with this, and that's okay. The camera does need to follow the ball. Let's see. Can I add a child node? I can still add a child node. Um. Add child node. If I do this and area 2D. Let's do area 2D. What's this? There's no shape. Okay. Let's not do this one then. Okay. At child node, I want a node with a width and height. Okay, so why do I want that? What's this? It's an experimental multi-mesh mesh instance collision shape. Okay, let's see. Hmm. So, okay, so if we take this one, oh wait, maybe if we can use a viewport sort of thing. Okay, wait, I got it. So let's do something completely different. Let's save this one. Let's go to ball. Remove the camera 2D from this. Go back to the test stage and add the camera here. Yeah. So the limit is going to be 0, 0, 720, and the bottom is going to be 500. However, the zoom is going to be 2. Let's test this out. Yeah, it does seem to work. And what I also want to do is add child node background. So let's name this one background. Control S. Add child node. We're going to add a sprite 2D. Or not sprite, yeah, we are going to do a mesh instance for now. And we use a text mesh for now. Text is going to be best. Font is, okay, let's not do this then. Let's go with Prism Mesh. Size is going to be 16, 16, 16. So let's, this shape is mostly, cancel. The shape is going to be mostly to show motion. Let's see. It is showing motion. Okay, that's good. So what I actually want to do is, so what we have is, and let's not use this one. Let's use Notepad. Okay, that's not gonna be good. Okay, okay, let's close other tabs. Don't save, don't save, don't save, don't save. So okay, so I do have a, okay, let me show you. So if I go to the idle screen, I have a bouncing logo, which is from the DVD screensaver plugin for OBS. I thought it was something that was a bit fun to add, but yeah, that's okay. Let's go to more. Okay, let's just let me don't save everything. Okay, that's good. So what we want to do is, so the base screen size is going to be 128 by 272. What I want is 4 pixels per pixel. So basically a zoom size of 4, which gives us a base size of, okay, so if we right now the zoom is makes it this by 360. So if we do this, then the size will be basically this. It's going to be a really small screen size, but that's actually what I want to do, I think. So let's go back to the ball. Camera to the zoom size is going to be 4. And this is the screen size, basically. Cancel. Because this will allow me to move the okay, I do think okay, no, this is a good size. Because the bricks, default bricks are just going to be about this big or something. So in the first level, it's just going to be simple. Okay. So let's Control Z. Let's select the background. Let's move this one up. Let's move the paddle. Okay. First, let's move the ball around. Let's use this. Let's move the ball around. Let's move the ball around and around here. The limit, the lower limit is going to be a lot smaller. Let's see, basically 200. So there will be a bit of vertical movement, and I don't want any horizontal movement. So it's going to be limited to one screen. Okay. The ball can move a bit lower, which gives me enough room for the paddle to be low enough. So what I want now is, let's change this to a quad mesh. Size is going to be 16 by 8. So this is going to be a standard brick size, which gives us enough. Yes, it just gives us enough. So let's test it out. So no horizontal movement. That's okay. So what I also want to do is create a bound. Okay, yeah, let's do that, because add a child node. Okay, let's see. Transform is this. Visibility. Let's delete. Add child node. Let's create collision object. Static body. Can we set a? Okay, so we need something that has a size. But that size, that something shouldn't actually okay, marker is, it's just a marker. It's literally just a marker. Okay. Polygon 2D maybe. Skeleton data. No, let's okay, let's change the type to light, parallax layer, path, shape cast, a 2D shape that sweeps a region of space to detect collision. Okay, maybe this one. There's no cannot interact with other. Okay, unless a shape 2D is. Okay, let's. Okay, shape 2D. Is there a shape 2D? It's not a collision object, right? No, it's not. Okay, let's do. Hmm. I do want something at least. Control. Maybe canvas layer. Okay, the layer is that transform. No, that's not it. Okay. Maybe I should have familiar. Okay, wait. We do viewport. The size of this viewport will determine the size of this stage. Okay, so let's say a size of 320 by 200. Let me. Okay, that's okay. I think I've got something. Shape is world boundary shape. New rectangle shape. Size is going to be and 200. Transform is going to be if I move this up, okay, everything is now on top of. Can I make it exclude parent? I feel like Shapecast is okay, visibility is not visible. Maybe? Show behind parent, top level, self. Okay. Texture, material. Okay, let's see if something. Let's call it world bound. Not world bound, world bound. And let's do this. I hope it works. I feel like it's going to be a bit of a it's not gonna be perfect. I know that. Okay, let's remove this camera 2D again and add it to the ball itself again. Add child node camera 2D. Okay. Enabled. Let's smooth it. If true, smoothie stops when it reaches its limit. No, it's not going to do that. Precision smoothing. Let's do this. Speed is going to be 10 pixels per second if needed. So what we need to do is okay, ball cam. Let's call it ball cam. Ball cam. Left is, and then was world bound. So world bound. Shape. Wait. Okay, so world boundary shape is not right shape. Shape to the in, and we have rectangle shape to the size. Okay, size. It's size. Okay, no. Okay, wait. Limit left is 0. Ball cam limit. Top 0. Ball cam limit. Right is, and then we do world bound shape size X, I believe. Y. So regardless of where I place the world bound Okay, so yeah, let's try it out. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Print world bound shape size. Hmm. Okay. Let's stop this. Let's do this. Okay. 320, 200. Okay, that's good. I did forget to change the zoom to 4. Control S, and let's... Okay, that's good. That's good. Yes, that's good. So let's go script. Let's move everything over to this side. So we can actually assume that the ball cam of the ball that everything about the ball gets reinitialized with each new scene. So when it's ready, we'll set the ball cam to the world bound. So if world bound, we do need to check if world bound and if wait, hello, if block. Let's see how if statements work. If okay, it's just this, and I don't need to do this. Let's do print world bound. Let's see. Yeah, world bound is present, and if we run it from ball, it's not going to do anything, hopefully. Oh yeah, that's also something. If battle func process battle process battle delta. If attached to paddle, we only want to do this when it's attached to the paddle. Okay, so let's redo it. Okay, this is good because now it doesn't do anything if it's not bound to a paddle. If there is no matching paddle. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, yes. Now, what if we change the world border to something slightly bigger? Like this. Let's try it again. Yes, yes. Okay, so now we have a physical representation of the world border. That's good. Next, what I want to do is... So the ball is 4, has a radius of 4. paddle has a radius of, I believe, 2, but I'm not sure. Let's go to the paddle. Collision shape was capsule with a radius of 2. So what we want is, we want the ball to be exactly above. Y is paddle position y minus 6. There is no paddle. Okay. 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 No, I don't want to collide with. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Paddle. Okay. Floating. Let's try it again, because we don't. Okay. Ah, come on. Let's go here. Okay. Okay, let's change the paddle again. Change type. Collision, rigid body or static body. Let's do the static body kind. Static body, and I don't think move and slide works. Okay. Um. Um. New 0, or maybe just vector 2 0. Move toward is. So let's do this. Position x plus is below the x plus. Let's try to test it out. Oh crap. Okay. Speed is really fast right now. Okay, so speed isn't a 2. Okay, let's do speed is 1. Float. Let's type hint it immediately. Okay. Yeah, this is better. Okay, what I also want to do is, instead of, I want to do a var speed and change this to this, because what I want to do is each character has its own speed, I guess. But for now, this is good enough. So, what I want to do is I want to make it have, okay, so right now this is good enough. But what we do want to do is so bound ready, var bound no, that's right bound is, let's do a big number. And let's make it a float. So if there is a world bound, then right bound is world bound shape size x. Okay, so now what do we want to do next? So for now, you know what? I want to change this one a bit. Okay, no, okay, so for now let's keep it like this because we don't want to overcomplicate things right now. So what we want to do is we want to limit the left motion and the right motion. So position x is max. Okay. The width is float 32. So what we're also going, okay, so let's go with this. Okay, no, let's just do this. 16.0 min right bound minus 16.0 comma x. Let's try this. So what we don't want is the paddle to go too far to the left. Okay, and too far to the right. Yeah, boy. So that's one part done. Okay. Okay. So that's good. Okay, the way I want to do this game is the ball can only be bounced up. So if the ball is below here, it's still going to be bounced up. If the ball is slightly below it, it's still getting bounced upwards. Yeah. So first, let's hide the background layer, because we're now going to focus on on that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, battle global scope. Let's go to the ball. Physics process. Scene project settings. Input map. Page up, page down. Copy paste. Cool. It also has copy paste shit. Except is enter select. We want select. UI select. Okay. So let's do this. Control C. Go to the ball. If input action just pressed UI select. Was it UI select? I don't know. If attached to paddle and attached to paddle is false. Okay. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, let's go to input. Okay. Is action just pressed? Okay, then let's Control S. So let's check it out. So right now we can move ball if we press space, and paddle can be moved, but the ball remains where it is. Yeah, boy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Okay. Honestly, I thought this was going to be a simple project. It's not really a simple project. Okay. Var velocity vector 2 is 0. Okay, I need to make it a habit not to add a semicolon at the end, because that's not Godot. It can't do any harm to add semicolons, colons. Okay. Velocity. We want the velocity to okay, let's first do const battle width is 32. Battle width divided by 2. Battle width divided by 2. So speed may be adjusted at some point, I think. Var real position is vector 2. position. No, this is good enough. Okay, we need to do this to the ball. Var real position is fuck vector 2 vector to 0. Real position, real position. So what we want to do is position x is round real position. X position y is round real position y. Let's see if it really pans out. Yeah, it sort of pans out. Yeah. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Woo boo boo. Okay. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are. So if it's not attached, so when is physics process actually called? Called during the physics processing step of the main loop. Physics processing means that the frame rate is synced to the physics, i.e. the delta variable should be constant. Delta is in seconds. It is only called if physics processing is enabled, which is done automatically if this method is overridden and can be toggled with set physics process. So what I want to do, just for fun, print delta. Yeah, it is consistent. Okay, that's the amount of seconds. So let's see what 1 divided by delta is. 60 frames per second. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that means we should actually do the physics right here, right now. Right here, right now. Okay. For base gravity, we are going to store the base gravity somewhere else. Float, but for now it's here. Okay, and what we also need to figure out is the terminal velocity. Terminal velocity means essentially so what's the pixel scale gonna be? 1 pixel. Okay. So what I usually have is, but that's for certain types of characters, is 1 pixel is no, okay, 2 pixels 1 centimeter is what I usually do. So I need to check it out first. I'm going to open up something else. So see do 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 do. Okay, base test 2. I believe it will open up it right. Okay, that's not the right thing. Okay, but that's okay. So this is basically my original one of my original projects, but I don't want to open it up here. I wanted to open up this one and actually the other one as well. And that one is stored in a different file format. So the thing is, my new style is or new style. It's an old style, but I call it new. The current style that I have. Let's close this one. So let's move this here. This is GIMP. This is style I use for. This is Bubbles from Cthulhu Land. This is Red Luigi. I forgot what his name was. And this is Kirby. I really wanted to do this style, and yeah. Let's see. This is more of my style. Where did I have the scaling? So I guess this is the style scaling. So how tall is this one? 45 pixels. 45 pixels. 45 pixels times 4 is 180. That's correct. So each pixel was 4 centimeters. That's my scale. However, for this game, I want okay, so we know the paddle is 32 pixels wide. Okay, that's the paddle's 32 pixels wide. The ball is 8 pixels. I want my characters to be at around 42 pixels. So if the character that accompanies the paddle and ball is about as high as the pixel the paddle is wide. Maybe a bit shorter than that, but definitely not bigger than that, because wait, Control Shift, print screen. Let's open this one. B. Okay, that's weird. Let's do it again. I only want the window. So let's control. Okay. Wait. I think this is better. Let's do this. Yeah, come on. V. Let's take this one out. We'll see. P image. Scale image. Percent is 400%. And none. Scale. We'll see. Is this too tall? Yeah, it's too tall. So you need to assume that everything is going to be scaled 4 times. So okay, wait. What I can do is I can copy. Oh, crap. So let's new. Okay, cancel. I know what I can do. Wait, which character was this again? Okay, I completely forgot. Okay, I think this character was the original ID for no, this was for a different game ID I had. And this is Chris CD. Let's just pick Chris CD. Let's take her sprite. Let's move it over to, where is it? Here. A sprite, new file. The width is going to be 32 by 32. Okay. So it's about the size of the paddle. Okay, wait. Okay, probably maybe if we sprite size. Okay, let's do the height of 48. Okay. Okay. Honestly, I feel like, okay, what's this? This is 100 zoom, 200, 400, 300, 400 zoom. Let's open up this. So, is that really her size? What the hell? Okay, let's do this window. Let's. No, what I want is I just want the content. Print screen. We'll see. Control V, that's too small, but that's okay. Image scale 400. Scale, we'll see. Control V. Okay, no, this is the perfect size. This is perfect. Okay, yeah. So what I want is the character can walk around. The paddle is in front of them. Yeah, this is perfect size. Okay, so yeah, this is what I want to do. So, okay, and the move speed is eventually determined by the character move speed. And so is the horizontal movement of the ball. Yeah. Okay, so what I don't want, so let's forget the base gravity. It's const base ball gravity. Let's just do float, and let's do 2. Okay, I can assume that that's too floaty. 3. Let's do 3. Else, oh wait, real. Yeah, this is good enough, I think. Is for okay, velocity plus is velocity x, velocity y is minus 10. Let's keep it at minus 10. Real position y plus s plus equals is velocity y, and velocity y plus is base gravity. Let's check this out. Oh, yeah, that's too fast. So the base gravity is going to be 0. Okay. And 1. Okay. So let's do this, and second squared. So if it's 2 seconds squared, this times delta 2, maybe this. Let's hope this works. Huh. Okay, velocity is 1. Let's start with 1. Times 4, maybe? Okay, yeah, this is... Okay, let's do 5 now. No, that's too fast. Let's do 3. Okay, that's better. let's do 2.2. Yeah, let's do 2 and okay, let's change the world bound to okay, not one. Okay, no, this is good enough. Okay. Okay. It's too slow. Let's up it to 5. Mm, 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 mm. What? Let's do 20. So there needs to be a good balance between the two, okay? Okay, 30 is a bit too fast, I think. Let's do 10 and then let's do 2. Okay, too slow. Yeah. Or yeah. Okay. Okay. Const launch speed is float 4 minus launch speed. Yeah. Okay, so that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's this okay, so what I also want to do is okay, wait. What I also need to do is um move path. If 2D and move path. Hmm. Okay, so this is good. So what I want is let's check the other. So what does this script say? What does the script say? Okay. Okay. What? Okay. What do I want in the node? Oh, crap. Wrong. It's not a problem. So this is a area. Area 2D. Okay. So there's nothing here. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh, this is a good idea. Spawn point. Collision shape. Object. Ball. Collision object 2D. Okay. Signals. Groups. Hmm. And when a child node enters the scene, no. Okay, I think. Okay. Okay, so I do need a rigid body to okay, let's do this. Rigid body. But what I don't want no constant force. Oh, gravity scale. So let's do the gravity of 0. Let's check if this works. Oh, crap. Let's check it out. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Okay, wait, okay, so Change type. Let's go back to. Okay, wait. Rigid body. Photo. Okay. Oh, wait. So if I do the collision shape disabled on, let's see. Okay, it moves around. That's fine and all. That's dandy and handy. Let's do this. Let's hope. Okay, it moves. It moves. Yes. So okay. So now that it is a body shape entered. Okay. Body entered. Okay, yeah. Let's do the same with the ball. Change type. Rigid body 2D. And I need to change this to okay. Let's do this. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Doom. Boom, boom. Okay, what I do is I use disable here. In this case, the collision shape will be enabled. Okay, let's check out what this does. So let's see if it does something. No, come on. Let's go to test. Let's test it out. So once it goes down, it goes through it. Okay, that's good. So what I want is for the ball to body entered. Connect. connect. Let's do this. On body entered. If body wait, okay, so let's do on body entered. No. Okay, let's see. If I change paddle to paddle as player, paddle. If body to group, maybe. What was the code in this one? It was is in group. Let's do pass for now. Print X, because I always print X, and I think it won't work because collision is disabled. Space. Yeah, it's disabled because it's disabled. Okay. Script. So after it move, it will check for okay. Let's rename this to ball collision. Ball collision. Disabled is attached to paddle. Let's do this. Ah, come on, let's go back to the test footage. Okay. Did it print something? It didn't print anything. Print body. Yes, let's check this out. Maybe I did something wrong. Okay, wait. Let's check what the coin does. Coin. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Inspector, it is disabled here. Let's not disable it right now. Let's go back here. Hmm. 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 Okay, curious. Hmm. Let's try this. So I know this is going to. Okay. Okay. Weird. Again. Why is there no collision? Okay. So this is a shape 2D. Hmm. Last collision. If want, okay, must be reset contact monitor. Oh, okay. Let's close this. Let's inspect. One-way collision. Disabled. Resource. Custom solver bias. Okay. Maybe if we do battle mission dot okay, contact, okay, wait, contact monitor, okay. Okay, so here, maybe it's somewhere here. Collision input equal. Where can I find contact monitor? Okay, on. Okay, it's on. Let's check. Okay, did it? It did nothing. Output, debugger, output. Okay, yeah, it did contact monitor, okay. Okay. Okay, let's... Hmm. Flights and interact with other bodies in the space does not report those collisions. And also just... Okay. Next contacts reported. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Yes. Okay, now it reports. It reports. Let's try it again. Okay. This is cool. Okay, so let's remove this one. Node groups. Wait. Ah, crap. Wrong. This one is battle. Add. Control S. Yes. Okay. Ball. So, if and S. Let's check if it works. Yes, it works. Yeah, boy. So what do we do now? If it collides with the paddle, what we then want to do is we want this. We want the Y position to be this. Okay, let's check it. So why do we do this? Because if the paddle goes, okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, on body entered. Okay. Okay, so what I actually want to do is okay, okay, so position X is velocity X, ball collision position Y is velocity Y. I think I should do it here. Let's see if this changes anything. Ah, come on. Position Y is let's do 180 so that it keeps at the same position. Okay. Yeah, that oh, this is better. Okay, what? Okay, weird. Okay, so you know what? Let's remove this one and remove these two lines because we don't need that. Now, what we want to do next comes later. So this is basically the start of this game project. Yeah, it's oh, sorry for not responding. It's I've been watching the documentation where the OBS overlay was, or OBS was. So but yeah, it's game development. So but yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream because my brother has to sleep. So let's go check the browser. Let's go to Twitch and let's mute. So who's online? I wanna go with a person who does game development at the moment. So let's search for software and game development. And I don't want to go for someone who is okay, 15 viewers. Oh, let's see. Okay, 15 viewers. Okay, let's see if there's someone else. I think I should actually check on my telephone, because then I can see what kind of deal it is, because okay, how do I do this? Okay, let's go to the ending screen. Live channels, let's see. I want to raid somebody, someone who doesn't have a lot of views, because that makes it easier for me to raid. Okay, let's go to the somewhere bottom. Okay. Actually implementing. Okay. Or okay, if I don't find someone who I wanna raid, I can also, because I really do want to rate someone who does game development. Um, okay, let's raid. Okay, let's raid. Okay, let's just raid someone new. Raid. Well, okay, this person is currently developing a game for a mini jam, probably. Uh, so yeah, let's give him a chance. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so oh, forgot that full bar is disabled on other screens. Okay. So let's put it back to 20 again. Okay, yeah. So anyway, Friday I'll be off because of the karaoke con. I'm going to. So yeah, I might not be streaming for the rest of the week. So next stream will be on Tuesday. I don't know what I'm gonna next week Tuesday, of course. But I don't know what I'm going to stream. Not I'm not going to do a programming stream every week, but every now and then I will. Especially since I first want to do blah, blah, blah. Okay, so anyway, see you again. Like every as always, see you again soon, and until next time. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit. I'm gonna do some closing words after the raid. So yeah. Okay, first, let's see. The raid is now ongoing here. And let's see what it. So yeah. So anyway, so yeah. So yeah. Anyway, I'll be looking into developing my game further into how Godot works exactly. Next time I might be a bit further with developing this game. But yeah, anyway, again, see you again soon, and until next time.